Hey everyone, Dr. Frank here, and I just wanted to do a quick video with summer approaching. It reminded me of a podcast episode I did a couple years ago on my show, Sporting Good Posture, where I talked a little bit about why you had the best summer, usually when you were a kid. And it has a lot to do with your health, because when you're younger, your health is there. You can do anything you want to do. You can go hang out with friends, family, go to the beach, go to the pool, play sports. Nothing's really a problem for you. And you can enjoy your summer because you have your health. And as we get older, those are some of the things that we work for, but we don't always have our health at that point because we've kind of put it on the back burner due to work or family obligations and things like that. But I want you to take a minute. It's only a 9-minute episode, and listen to this episode about how you can make this summer the best summer ever. You know, we got less than a month till Memorial Day, and think about some of the things you can do to start getting healthy so you can enjoy your summer. Because really, if you have your health, you're rich, and you'll be able to enjoy your summer this summer and for many summers to come. So check out this episode from season 3 called The Summer Review.